Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul I've not done a haul from here in a while. It is from Shop Miss A. You guys know I love the Shop Miss A sponges. I don't have one up here, but they're one of my favorite sponges, and they're $1.55 for the ones I get. Okay, so here is the pretty packaging. What does it say? It's here, feel good. Okay, I got it upside down. I'm like, why can I not read that? And it does say, like, on the edge up here, you know, there's tons of stuff on the website that's $1. I think when they very first started, everything was $1. Then they started kind of branching out into, like, $2, $3, $6. And I have my shipping notice here. I do believe if you order $35 or more, you get free shipping. I didn't have $35, so I did pay shipping, but it wasn't very much. It doesn't sound here how much shipping. No. Okay. So everything's nicely bubble wrapped. I have already cut the end just to make it easier and faster for us to get in there. So it's bubble wrapped. Well, I thought it was going to be easier and faster, but the tape, it's still tape on the ends. There we go. I'll save that bubble wrap because I'm getting ready to mail some stuff. So then it's wrapped in really pretty pink tissue paper, styrofoam wrap, more tape. All right, get on there, you. And then in here, we have the goodies. So I ordered 2 more sponges because I like to throw a couple away once they get several months old. Order new. I usually get the pink Paw Paw sponges. They're $1.55, but 55 cents of that goes to animal-related charities. But this one is the Wonder Blender. I think it's just called the Wonder Blender. And it is the brighter pink one, and I do believe these were just $1, not the $1.55 ones. I may end up regretting that. It doesn't say, but I think these are just $1 because they're not the Paw Paw. So I got 2 of those to try. Everything I got was $1 except one thing. And then here we have a bundle of shadow singles. So I'm going to lay these sponges back here. And I'm going to show you one of the reasons why I got what I got. Okay, come on you. Come on, cut open. And I'm looking, yeah, it's right here in this drawer. So if you watch some of my other videos, you know I ordered this magnetic palette from Amazon. This palette was $10, $9.99 on Amazon. I have these empty, this one's still empty. This one has a few in it. These were like $4.99. One was from eBay, this one, and this one was from Coastal Scents. $4.99. So I just happened to see an ad pop up, it's either on my Instagram or on Facebook, that they had their shadow singles from like $3 down to $1. And I do like their shadow singles. I have some in another palette. So I bought several. You guys know I just did an eyeshadow declutter, so come on, children. The tape. Look, it's tape. Okay. So, I bought a bigger palette. So, this holds 18. This one holds, I think, 24. Let's see, does it tell me? No, it just says Color Board Magnetic Palette. These were $6, guys. They still may be $6 on Shop Miss A. I don't know. But it's a lot bigger than the other ones. So I was like, shoot. And they had a lot of really pretty patterns you could choose from. Since we just got back on the cruise, I just kind of like the tropical prints. And it was black because a lot of the other prints were white background, and I knew those would get dirty. And it does have a mirror, and there is the spot. So I thought, though, I would put my Makeup Geek ones in here, since my Makeup Geek collection is growing. And so I am going to quickly transfer my Makeup Geek out of this one. Heck yeah! Awesome. Because you guys know I had a couple oddballs. That leaves this palette empty. And then in here, I had, or maybe I told you wrong. What did I do? I had Backlight. Remember, I had Backlight, which was the light purple. Did I put them in this one? Shannon forgets. Okay, yeah. So, actually, I found these 4 after I did the declutter. These are BH Cosmetic ones. These are 4 of the singles that came out of a quad. Do you remember the little quads I bought off Makeup Geek? Yeah. I depotted them. I wanted to see how easy it was to depot, and they were super easy to depot those, and I will show you in the next video how I depotted those. So I just took them right out of there. But guys, what did I do with that Backlight one? The really pretty purple one. Did I stick it in a different palette? I had to have stuck it in a different palette. And I'll have to find it because I don't know. But this is the little quad I'm talking about. And I'll show you how to depot these in the next video. So these are all now Makeup Geek, all of them. And I'm going to put those 4 in here as well. And then the Backlight. When I find Backlight. Alright. So now I'm going to use this palette for the ones I just got off Shop Miss A. I know, kind of backwards, right? But, so let's get into them. They do come in a little cardboard box. I just like being able to make my own palettes, you know, because we keep seeing the same colors come out in palettes. And it's like, okay, well, I've got the same colors in those same palettes and over and over and over. So this is polished, and it's just a really pretty pearl. And again, you're going to say that's in every palette, Shannon. Probably so, probably so. Trying to look at my colors. So this one is Moment, and it's just a pretty tan. Come on, you. And then next up I have, for $1 a pressed pan, that's a really good buy. I don't know if they still have these. You can go check them out. Shop Miss A. This is vintage. Just a really pretty peach that I just dropped down in my thing. Didn't mess it up, thank God. Okay, next up, let's do this one. This is Smitten. Trying to keep them from like light to darkest. And I will swatch some of these once we get them all in the palette. This one is, oh my gosh, can't wait to swatch this one and see. Twilight. Yes, people, I come to you today with no makeup on. No makeup. Can you believe that? I do have a little bit of lip balm on, but that's it. Who says you have to be completely done up in every video? Who says? Who says? I mean, seriously. This is Ruffle, so just a really pretty, nice crease shade. It's a little bit of a reddish brown. Tuck that one down in there. What did I do with that backlight shade? Now I'm like really wondering. Where did it go? This is Forbidden. You guys know I love purples. Let's see. I think I did 10 and that was it. Oh, I can't wait to swatch this one. Trying to pop it out without making a mess. This is Gala. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just, I think, 2 more shadows. I really love these empty magnetic palettes because you can just make what you want out of them, you know. This is a beautiful one too. Sensations staying within those purples and plummies. Oh my gosh. I'll tuck you right there. And then one last one, and this is another good kind of crease shade, and it is called Rich. Just a nice chocolate brown. And I'm going to put you over here. And the last one I got was a highlighter, and yes, this was $1 as well, I do believe. And this is called Pearls. Oh, look how pretty. And it will sit down in there. So I'm probably going to rearrange these a little bit because I want to put another highlighter and blush down in there. So don't stick your fingernails in there, Shannon. Okay. So I have this palette that's a magnetic palette. This is a Makeup Geek blush. Yeah, XOXO. Put that in there. And I think all the rest of these are still the Itsy, or however you say it. And I have several of those in here. But I could put this peachy one, which is another blush. And then there's that little palette. But where is my Makeup Geek? I've lost it, guys. It's in one of these palettes somewhere. So here is the old palette with the Shop Miss A shadows, a Shop Miss A highlighter, an Itsy highlighter, and a Makeup Geek blush. I was thinking I might get some of the other ones in this palette, but once I depot the other ones, they're not going to fit. This will all be eyeshadows. So we're going to play with that one in the next video. Let's swatch some of these. Grab a tissue. Do you want me to swatch all of them? I don't want to mess up on my pans. All right. They feel nice. They don't feel too dry. I'll show you how I'm... There we go. Those are the light shades. And... nice. Very nice. I'm going to spray a little bit of something on here, so just so it'll help clean my fingertips off a little bit. Okay. Next up is the purples. Wow. They feel really good. There was that purple gray one. Okay. All right, that lightest purple one. I'm going to build it up because it didn't do that great. But to me, see right there, it's more of a chunky kind of glitter. You know what I'm saying? It's very iridescent. There's that gray. It would probably be really pretty packed over top of that gray, just to give it some more sparkle, like it needs more sparkle. You know what I'm saying? No. Okay. And then here's the reddish color. Get my finger in there. That greeny black color. Oh my gosh. And then the chocolate. That chocolate is really smooth. Look at that, guys. Look at that. All right, again, the reddish brown one is kind of so I'm going to build it up a little. But look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Oh my gosh, and it's still plenty on my finger. The milk chocolate brown looks really good. So the only two that are kind of disappointing are these two right here. So that was Ruffle and Twilight. So if you do go buy them, just know those two, I mean, they'll probably pack on and they do better over top of a primer, but especially that Twilight, I can see it good on my arm, but it's really hard to see right there. You know what I'm saying? So let's do the highlighter. Very smooth and creamy. Oh my gosh. And we'll put it right there. Not bad. Kind of smooth it out just a little. Just rub it out. All right, so there is that one. So yeah, guys, my little eyeshadow singles is growing. Like super, super, super. I love it because I like being able to make my own palette. You know what I'm saying? I like being able to take some of these out, put in a smaller palette like this, and take this with me. And actually, I have a couple more. These are color pops right here. I have a couple color pops, I think, in the other drawer I can take out. And I could get them in here, but now I'll put these in here. So I don't know. These might come out, and I might put the color pops in there. And that's, again, another reason I like having these palettes is because you can make the palette you want. Because these come out. And I could always keep this little container for travel to make a quad out of. So that's an option too. I could take these out. But I'm really wondering, what did I do with that Twilight shade? That's driving me crazy now. But that's it, guys. That is my little Shop Miss A haul. Again, if you want a magnetic palette, a really good price. These were $6. You can check it out and see if they're still on there. Again, they had lots and lots of different patterns to choose from. They had this size as well. Not this pattern. But they had this size, and I think they were $4. Alrighty, guys. That is it. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, and liking on the videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.